Hi friends, I'm Kanchana, advocate. Today I'm dealing with whether 468 of CRPC, that is, limitation period for criminal offences, is applicable to domestic violence cases. In Kamachi versus Lakshmi Narayana, Supreme Court said that filing an application under Section 12 of Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act cannot be equated with the complaint or initiation of prosecution. Why? Because filing an application under Section 12 is only for different kinds of reliefs which were provided in Section 18 to 22 and 23. All these are civil in nature. That's why 468 of CRPC is not applicable. And also, domestic violence is a continuing offense. That's why aggrieved person can file an application at any time. There is no period of limitation. When the respondent breaches the protection order or breaches the interim protection order, then he will be punished under Section 31 of Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act. This is the offense. That's why while filing an application under Section 31 of Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, aggrieved person has to look after the 468 of CRPC. That is, here the maximum punishment is 1 year. That's why, according to 468 of CRPC, limitation period is 1 year. Aggrieved person has to file an application under Section 31 of Domestic Violence Act within 1 year from the breach of protection order or interim protection order before the magistrate. While the magistrate taking cognizance, magistrate has to look after sole testimony of the aggrieved person is enough. No need of any other corroborative evidence. Sole testimony of the aggrieved person, magistrate take cognizance against the respondent. Only thing is, aggrieved person has to file an application within the period of 1 year from the breach of protection order or interim protection order. So, for filing an application under Section 12, 468 of CRPC is not applicable. While filing an application under Section 31 of DV Act, 468 of CRPC is applicable, which was said by Supreme Court in Kamachi versus Lakshmi Narayana. Thank you.